Well, we sadly have some preseason, I guess you'd call it injury news, and it's not even racing related. This is coming from Derek Drake on his Instagram saying, quote, "Well, I finally have an answer as to what I've been dealing with for the last 4+ years. I'm bummed it took this long to figure it out, but I'm glad I have an answer and can move forward. Fortunately slash unfortunately, I found out that I have Lyme disease. It's been so frustrating putting in lackluster results and never being happy with my fitness, so no matter what I did, my results were always the same. Thank you, Bar Yamaha, Toyota Land Motorsports, and Trucker Freight Lines for sticking behind me. The team slash personnel deserve more than what I have been giving, and I look forward to the day I can do that. For now, I want to really get a hold of this and figure out how to go about it. So I will be missing the first part of the season, and I look forward to racing again." Now, obviously, that sucks. It's not something that you can just easily deal with. Something that's going to linger. Obviously, has lingered for a very long time with 4+ years. I don't even know how you deal with Lyme disease. If you do, comment down below. Tell me. But it sucks that it's something like this. It's not even a racing incident, not even a crash or something. It's just something that's been going on for obviously for him for a very long time. And hopefully, you know, non-racing related. Hopefully he figures this out and can be back soon, or just figures this out and doesn't have to deal with it for, whoever knows how much longer. But it's one of those sad things. This is what these guys do. It's 100% of their lives, and if you're missing this, you're missing bonuses and just doing what you love. But hopefully he figures it out and be back soon. Knock on wood. But I guess you guys comment down below. Tell me, like I said, how do you fix Lyme disease if you know, whatever. A1's coming up in, where is this? A couple days now. And tell me, who do you think wins? Uh, who do you think wins the 250, 450 title? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.